Working in electronics design and got handed a ZPH file from a colleague. This is a specialized PCB visualization file from PTC's Creo ECAD platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these zipped phantom representation files. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens ZPH files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. A ZPH file is a component file used by PTC's Creo ECAD, a software for viewing and analyzing electronic circuit board designs. Users in engineering and manufacturing sectors encounter this file as part of a larger assembly, where it represents a phantom or non-physical component for design reference. The ZPH format is a compressed binary container, likely using a zip-based structure to hold data for a phantom component in an ECAD assembly. This design allows the file to be lightweight while referencing properties of a real component, optimizing performance when loading and visualizing complex circuit board layouts. The ZPH format operates under the official standard set by PTC Creo View from PTC Inc. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows can't load their advanced geometry, so complete viewing depends on professional CAD programs. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your ZPH file and select Open With. Test PTC Creo View if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. If the ZPH file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent ZPH problem. First, opening in Creo View. Install PTC Creo View ECAD on your system and use File then Open to load the ZPH file. The viewer renders the PCB assembly with components, traces, and layer information in an interactive 3D environment supporting measurement annotation and review workflows for electronics design verification. Next, using Creo Parametric. Open Creo Parametric with the ECAD module enabled and import the ZPH file through the integrated viewer. This provides access to advanced ECAD/MCAD collaboration features, allowing engineers to review electronics designs alongside mechanical components in a unified design environment. Finally, extracting archive contents. Rename the ZPH extension to do.zip and extract with 7-zip or WinRAR to access individual phantom data files inside. While these extracted files require Creo View for proper rendering, this approach allows inspection of file structure and metadata for troubleshooting or archival purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.